Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna start the new year right with getting the kitchen, the dining space, the hallway, and the guest bathroom all together. A fresh start, okay? Because 2024 is done. So is the decor I had in place. It's time to freshen up, throw more greenery, and just see what we come up with. So let's roll the clips and see how I get those spaces together. Before doing anything, you know we have to tackle this kitchen first. It just looks so chaotic. Too much things just going on these counters. And we have to set the mood right in order to get things in place. So we're going to start out with these dishes, put all these dishes in the dishwasher. Some of them need to be wiped down because the dishwasher ain't getting everything. So we got to make sure these dishes are right so they can finish right. Now onto the stove. Ever since my son turned 7 months, I've been cooking even more. So this has become part of my routine to really wipe down the stove, because what is a clean kitchen without a clean stove? I don't like seeing crumbs. I don't like to see spills. I don't like to see nothing. And quite frankly, I really love this oven cleaner because it literally leaves it spotless. Every time you spray it, you let it foam, and you wipe, and look at that shine. You can't even see my reflection. This has become my favorite thing to do when it comes to cleaning my kitchen. After I'm done wiping it down, I do like to use an all-purpose cleaner just to really make sure I get all the extra dust and crumbs that were left behind, and the stove is good to go. Next up is the counters. I like to give the counters and the sink a good wipe down. One of my secret things to use that gets my sink real spotless is using fob and a little pine sol and just really scrub in there. And it just leaves the sink smelling fresh. Now we're just wetting all the counters, making sure everything is just spotless. We're going to remove those pumice out the vase, just to switch it up a bit. And I love to drop a couple of drops of essential oil down the sink, especially where the garbage disposal is, just so the kitchen can smell even fresher. Onto the dining table, we have to clear this mess up. Because my kitchen and my eating area is right in front of the garage, we tend to just drop everything on this table when we get home, or if we're just doing things, especially when I shop, I usually just drop everything there. So it's time to clear it up so it can be useful, because we do eat on this table as well. One of my new products I love using around the house is these Airwick stick-ons, especially near my trash can and in the bathrooms. They smell amazing and they last for a week, and it just gives like a subtle good air freshness, laundry freshness, fruity freshness, however you want to call it, through the kitchen. Because we have so much smells, especially when you're cooking, I just like something to really maintain the smells and keep it fresh. Now we're wiping this marble. I have this marble granite sprayer I love using. It does not get absorbed because this is literally a real marble table. I'm using my table runner and I'm kind of shaping it. Let's ignore the mess behind me because we haven't really set up the playroom for my son yet. So his play kitchen is behind, so is his bags. So that's not going to go anywhere until we get that project set up. So let's act like that's not there. So these candles were on my fireplace, and I just decided to move them here because I just felt like it would just give a nice little embellishment. I wanted to do a little extra, something, something more dramatic, because what is my decor if it's not dramatic and it's not your typical norm, right? So I chose to really go with more greenery, as you can see, and a lot of those full flowers I got from Shein, and then the other branches I think I got from Dollar Tree, because I didn't need anything more dramatic. And to be honest, the faux flowers and faux leaves in Dollar Tree are really not that bad now, since they went up on their pricing. They used to look real cheapity cheap. But you know what? Depending on what you're looking for, it still gives the essence, because I'm not putting no real plants, okay? So we're gonna tackle the hallway leading to my guest bathroom. So we're gonna just give it a good wipe down. So we gotta clear everything off, clean the floating shelf, the mirror, and then start putting everything back in order. These I also got at Dollar Tree. I just felt like they were just dark enough, as well bright enough, because I really want to focus on just bringing greenery before we go into our spring colors. So just something to liven up the vases, since they're literally just matte out black. So I just wanted to give that area just a little boost of color, just to break from the darkness. Onto my guest bathroom. I've had this picture in my guest bathroom for like 2 years now. It didn't really flow, but I really love the picture, so I just hung it in there. But I decided to hang this picture up. It's a pair to the one that is facing my dining table. I had a thumbtack. I don't know why I thought it would hold up this heavy picture. So I had to go in and be a handyman and get a nail. And myself thought it was smart enough to use this little wrench to knock it in the wall. Obviously, it's not working. It's not working. So I have to go get the heavy hitter and get the drill and drill it in the wall in order to hold up this picture. I just feel like I should have put this picture in the guest bathroom a long time ago, because it flowed so much better with the decor downstairs than the other picture that was in place. And I love putting these little pod hangers. I don't know what you call them, but I rotate them every other week because it keeps the toilet fresh, keeps the bathroom smelling good, and it keeps your toilet clean. So yeah, we're wiping down the sink, and we're gonna roll up the towels that my guests use when they wash their hands, because it's just more efficient than having paper towels for people to wipe their hands. I just roll them up weekly, and when they're all used, I run them in the washer and fold them up again. I got this idea from a friend, and I think it's one of the best ideas I got because of how efficient it is. Who, child? I hope you're feeling it. If you're not, it's okay, because we have more videos to go, and you can leave some of your suggestions, as well as my child, down below. And I cannot wait to see you on the next one to see how I get the living room together for the New Year's. And you might as well catch up with my previous videos. Either if you're into decor, either you're nosy enough to be in my life, or some makeup tutorials. Whatever you're feeling, I have it all for you. So go ahead, scroll by, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment. And I'll see you in my next video.